we are going to look for a hidden waterfall on Lake Hartwell. Now, I've heard tales of this hidden waterfall.
I didn't know
so,
you were part of the TikTok.
What? You want to be a part of my TikTok?
No.
Too late, you're already on it now. So we have found this little parking place. I'll try to do a link to it if we end up finding the waterfall. And then look how beautiful that water is. Ooh, it's gonna be a great paddle today.
Parking here got us off the road, and it was large enough to unload.
Okay, we are on the lake and we're ready to go find this hidden waterfall. We have Jen back here with Chuck. Hey, Chuck. We have Johnny, our navigator, and Aaron. I think he's just here to look pretty. But we all have our special jobs. So. Okay, I hope we're getting close. We are in some really sketchy waters here. Woo.
Oh my God, I think that's a brown trout. Yep, it's got toilet paper on it.
Little bits of corn.
We're still hunting the waterfall. With these jokers, at least it's a funny comedy kayaking tour. Oh my gosh, we hear the waterfall. Y'all hear the waterfall? Hear it. We must be getting close. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is ginormous. Take a look.
An absolutely fantastic time here at the falls. It was so cool and refreshing. The paddle to the falls from where we parked was a great distance, and it was so super easy. It was so easy that these big motor boats came up to see the falls. Really sure how they made it. My kayak would bottom out at some points, but they were brave. They got their boat up in there and they enjoyed the falls just like we did. Let me share some tips with you. This was a great paddle. Go in early, kayak in early, because we passed jet skis and boats and a ton of other paddlers. Second, always bring some water shoes. We got out, the bottom of the falls is rocky. And don't be afraid to ask for directions. We had to ask for directions. We're so glad that we did because we ended up finding the falls. We found several turtles. Sure to be respectful of the private property. Always bring some fun friends. So we found it. We found the hidden but not so secret waterfall. And I'm calling it that because it was quite hidden. We had to ask for directions. We spent about 30 minutes just looking for the entrance to the waterfall. However, it's not so secret. We met several boats, jet skis, and other paddlers. So get there early and enjoy the nice smooth paddle and the beautiful waterfall. It's definitely a fun adventure. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for a spark of adventure.